Part 2. 30-watt solar battery charger come with a 10A controller. Advantages is that, we can first check our car battery is at what level voltages. Now I try to set our controller from default 14.4 to 13.8 voltages. This is not to overheat up our car battery. We confirm controller is set to 13.8. As you can see on the display controller. Again I reconfirm my 13.8 voltages is correct. Once we set to 13.8 voltages, the controller will control battery charging from 1 to 13.8 voltages. If the current come from solar panel is over 13.8 voltages, the display either cut off, or start to search from 1 to 13.8 voltages. The continue video will show you how the controller control the current come in from the solar panel. I will try to reduce the current by pull up and down the car front board. If the current come in between 1 to 13.8 voltages, the display from controller becomes stable. This controller will control the excessive current come in to overheat my car battery.
Oh.